Fragrant Indian mango, Lassi Mousse light, and airy tropical summer dessert. A modern reinterpretation of India's beloved mango lassi, silky mango pulp, is folded into cloud-like peaks of whipped Greek yogurt and cream, infused with crushed green cardamom and brightened with fresh lime. The result is a delicate, gravity-defying mousse that captures the essence of tropical summer in one velvety, fragrant spoonful. Yield: 6 servings. Preparation time: 20 minutes. Chilling time: 4 hours. Ingredients: mango base, 2 cups ripe Alphonso or Kesar mango pulp, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, cardamom yogurt, mousse 1 cup full fat, Greek yogurt 1 cup heavy whipping cream, cold 3 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon freshly crushed green cardamom seeds, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of sea salt. Garnish: fresh mango cubes, crushed pistachios, dried rose petals, micro mint leaves, pinch of cardamom powder. Begin with 2 cups of ripe Alphonso mango pulp. Blend until completely smooth and silky. Then stir in fresh lime juice to brighten the fruit's natural sweetness. In a chilled mixing bowl, combine creamy Greek yogurt, powdered sugar, freshly crushed green cardamom, vanilla extract, and a pinch of sea salt. Whisk the mixture until completely smooth and fragrant. Next, whip cold, heavy cream until soft peaks form. The cream should be light, airy, and just firm enough to hold its shape. Pour the silky mango puree into the cardamom-infused yogurt mixture and gently stir until completely combined. Now gently fold in the whipped cream in stages, preserving as much air as possible to create a light and velvety mousse. As the mixtures combine, a pale golden mousse emerges, light, smooth, and infused with fragrant cardamom. Spoon the mousse into elegant serving glasses, creating smooth, even layers. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, allowing the mousse to set into its signature cloud-like texture. Once chilled, the mousse should be smooth, stable, and beautifully set, with a delicate cloud-like consistency. Top each mousse with fresh mango cubes for a bright burst of tropical sweetness. Finish with crushed pistachios, delicate rose petals, fresh mint, and a light dusting of cardamom. Love mango desserts? Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you try this mango lassi mousse?